Ever wondered why used BMWs can be so affordable, even though they're luxury cars? While these vehicles offer an incredible driving experience, they also come with a set of challenges that drive prices down over time. From rapid depreciation to costly maintenance, the reasons behind the sharp drop in value might surprise you. In this video, we'll uncover the top factors that make used BMWs shockingly cheap and how you can still score a great deal if you buy wisely. Rapid depreciation. BMWs are known for their premium pricing, which means they have a steep depreciation curve. From the moment a new BMW leaves the dealership, its value starts to plummet. With expensive hardware, advanced technology, and top-tier features like turbocharged engines, adaptive suspension, and complex infotainment systems, the car is packed with luxury components that make it feel special when new. However, as technology evolves, these systems can quickly feel outdated. For example, early versions of BMW's iDrive system, which was once seen as revolutionary, quickly became a thing of the past. The reality is that BMWs lose value quickly due to their high MSRP and the lease model that floods the market with used vehicles. Once the lease period ends, BMWs often flood the used car market, with multiple cars of the same model driving prices down. For example, cars like the BMW X5 or 5 Series may experience a dramatic 5-year depreciation, sometimes losing over half of their original value. While this makes these cars incredibly affordable on the second-hand market, it also signals that potential buyers need to prepare for the cost of ownership, which doesn't always reflect the low initial purchase price. Expensive insurance and maintenance. When purchasing a luxury vehicle like a BMW, it's easy to focus on the initial purchase price. However, one of the most significant costs associated with owning a BMW is the maintenance and repair bills. Insurance premiums are typically higher for luxury cars because parts and repairs are more expensive. A simple fender bender could end up costing significantly more than it would for a non-luxury vehicle, as BMWs are equipped with sensors, advanced lighting systems, and other expensive features that add up when damaged. Additionally, as BMWs age, the cost of replacing parts and repairing advanced tech components increases. For instance, replacing a headlight or a damaged bumper can result in a hefty repair bill. Even minor repairs could cost hundreds of dollars, and these vehicles are not cheap to insure due to their repair complexity and high replacement costs. Many BMW owners often find themselves in sticker shock when they receive their first insurance quote, making it an important factor for potential buyers to consider. Aging technology and complex electronics. BMWs are known for their cutting-edge technology, with features like sophisticated infotainment systems, adaptive suspension, and automatic climate control. When these cars are brand new, these technologies make them feel futuristic, offering a seamless and luxury driving experience. However, as time goes on and newer tech emerges, these systems can quickly become outdated, leaving older BMWs feeling less advanced than their competitors. As these systems age, they also start to wear down and require expensive repairs. A faulty sensor, a malfunctioning screen, or leaking suspension components are just some of the issues that can arise in used BMWs. These repairs often aren't quick fixes. Instead, they can require replacing entire modules or running diagnostic software to reprogram the car's systems. For instance, replacing a BMW's battery isn't as simple as swapping it out. It needs to be registered to ensure the car's charging system works properly. As BMWs continue to age, the complexity of their electronics increases, which means the cost of maintaining these systems can escalate significantly. Reliability concerns. BMW vehicles are widely praised for their engineering excellence and driving dynamics, offering a balance of performance and luxury that few brands can match. However, when it comes to long-term reliability, the story becomes more nuanced. While BMW excels in delivering a refined and engaging driving experience, certain models, particularly older ones, have developed a reputation for costly and recurring issues. A key area of concern lies in engines such as the N54 and N55, which, despite their strong performance capabilities, are known for specific reliability challenges. Common problems include cooling system failures, oil leaks, high-pressure fuel pump issues, and malfunctioning electric water pumps. These issues often appear as the vehicle accumulates mileage, typically surfacing just after the warranty period expires, when repair costs fall entirely on the owner. This timing creates what many owners describe as a frustrating ownership phase, where the car still feels relatively modern but begins to demand significant financial investment to maintain. Repairs are rarely inexpensive, and because of the complexity of BMW engineering, even minor issues can escalate into costly service visits. As a result, potential buyers in the used car market approach older BMWs with caution. The fear of unexpected repairs and high maintenance costs contributes heavily to the brand's steep depreciation curve. Even though newer BMW models have shown improvements in reliability and have performed better in recent reliability surveys, the lingering reputation of older models continues to influence buyer perception. This stigma plays a crucial role in pricing. Compared to other luxury vehicles, used BMWs often appear more affordable up front, but this lower price frequently reflects the anticipated cost of ownership rather than a true bargain. For many buyers, the decision ultimately comes down to whether the driving experience outweighs the potential long-term expenses. The warranty cliff. Maintenance costs post-warranty. One of the most challenging aspects of owning a BMW is what's referred to as the warranty cliff. When you purchase a new BMW, it typically comes with a limited warranty that covers most repairs and maintenance costs. However, once the warranty expires, owners are often confronted with an overwhelming surge in repair expenses. The high-end components and complex systems that make a BMW special when new, such as advanced suspension systems, sensors, and turbocharged engines, become expensive to repair as they age. For example, cars like the BMW 7 Series, which are loaded with premium features such as soft close doors and advanced infotainment systems, can be a nightmare to maintain once the warranty is up. Owners may find themselves facing repair bills that are out of proportion to the car's current market value. This warranty cliff is a critical moment for many owners, as the cost of keeping the car running smoothly becomes much higher, especially if the vehicle requires specialized tools or expertise for repairs. This often leads to BMWs being sold or traded in by owners who aren't prepared for the high upkeep costs, driving down demand and further lowering prices on the used market. Should you buy a used BMW? Despite all the issues that come with buying an older BMW, they can still offer a thrilling driving experience that's hard to match at their price point. If you buy the right BMW with a strong maintenance history and avoid the models known for specific issues, you can enjoy a luxury vehicle for a fraction of its original cost. However, the key to buying a used BMW without falling into financial trouble is to be aware of the risks and budget for repairs. Always get a pre-purchase inspection, check the car's service history, and be sure that you have the funds for unexpected maintenance costs. So, while used BMWs may seem like a bargain, remember that you're buying a high-end machine at a discount, and it will require maintenance to keep running smoothly. If you're prepared for the cost of ownership and pick the right model, a used BMW can offer an incredible driving experience at an affordable price. But if you're just looking for a cheap ride, you might want to reconsider and avoid the financial pitfalls that come with owning a luxury vehicle. If you're thinking about buying a used BMW, be sure to do your research and always budget for maintenance and repairs. And if you want to be smarter every day, like and subscribe.